Have you ever heard of the saying, real men love cats? In this case, it rings truer than ever. Meet Bagheera the cat and his human, Ramon Ray Vargas. Ray was a self-confessed dog person until one day, near his home, he found a tiny kitten whose eyes were still closed. The little one was obviously crying for his mama, but she was nowhere to be found, so Ray knew he had to help the poor baby. Ray picked up a kitten feeder kit complete with formula and a bottle. He kept the kitty warm and gave him regular feeds throughout the night. Ray named him Bagheera, and here he is with his eyes fully open, taking his first real look at the world. As he grew bigger and stronger, he realized his favorite place for a nap was in the arms of the man who saved him. As an artist, Ray has discovered that working from home is not so easy with a cat around. Here's Bagheera offering a helping paw. Bagheera grew up to be a cuddle bug. He loves to cuddle and is always looking for a cozy spot on someone's lap, Ray says. As Bagheera was feeling lonely, Ray adopted another kitty, Leela, the smallest kitten in her litter, often picked on by her siblings. She behaves more like a typical cat than Bagheera, more independent, keeping her distance from strangers, says Ray. But I'm really proud of the bond we have now because it took lots of time and reassurance to build her trust in me, he adds. Bagheera and his sister get along well, and they're really sweet to one another, with lots of cuddling and bathing. But sometimes it looks like Bagheera misses being an only child and having all the attention to himself, Ray concludes laughingly.